Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Namaste, namaskar. Assalamu alaikum to you all my Muslim fans out there. My name Dr. Kana. I'm here in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in the street of India, just trying to survive. As you all know, I just want to test all the street food here in India before leaving. So help me God. And I want you to be part of this journey of mine and see how this goes. Please, if today is your first time on seeing this video, make sure you comment, like, share. That will go a long way for me. Shukriya. Bahut shukriya. Today, I have a very special delicacy to try today. I have about 3 different kind of meal to try here. This garlic naan, butter naan, butter naan. So the roti I have here is garlic naan and butter naan. This is called chicken rara.
Wow.
Chicken rara. This is called dal makhani. This is called chicken curry roll. Why this is balak paneer. Let me start with the garlic naan. I'm trying with this. This is veg. This is 100% vegetarian. Let me try this. Bahut achar. ये बहुत अच्छा. I say add lemon to it. Let me try with the butter naan. Very fresh. Chicken rara. Chicken rara. Oh, this is nice. This is delicious. Bahut achar. We call this chutney. Dal makhani. Okay. Chicken curry roll. have no word to say. Let me add the tomato sauce. I don't know what to say right now. All I have to say is this. Enjoyment pass like this. Mehin. I'm enjoying myself. Very, very nice. What I enjoy most is this chicken rara. This chicken rara, very tasty. This palak paneer. I enjoy this. I enjoy this. Let me give it another bite. Palak is a vegetable leaf. It's a vegetable leaf. So vegetable leaf soup. All the food here. All hot picture. Thank you so much for watching this very video. Please, if today is your first time of seeing this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share. Thank you. Bahut shukriya.